back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. Do you want to come with me? We're going to Cosley Zoo. It's a pretty cool looking zoo, I heard. And this is the right time. I mean, this is all nature right here. Pretty disgusting. Okay, let's. If you want to see where I'm going, just follow me. Right, and here I got secret path.
Many minutes later.
Finally, we're here at the Cosley Zoo. It's right there. Let's go. Let's see this pond right here. There might be some animals here. I mean, who knows? Let's see. Let's see if there's any animals. Can you spot any? Only what I see is ice. There's some water fountain looking through there. Doesn't look like anything here. Oh, there's a bridge, everybody. Let's see where that goes. Oh, there's a huge turtle there. Don't see anything yet. Oh no! 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 I see a cage. Now the word if it's cute, I'd like to go. Look at that huge windmill looking thing. Okay, it shows like the birds here. It shows buff or a cursed. I mean,
Crested blue Swedish
oh, got it.
and the blue Swedish.
Just the blue Swedish. Let's see. Oh, okay. There's another pond here. Oh. Really? We're gonna go up here and then don't see anything right now, just see some water and ice. Let's keep going. Oh, what is that? Is that a dead? Oh no, I was gonna say a dead mouse in the water. That's actually just a feather. So that means they are here. That means some birds are here. Okay, now we're going to the barn. This is the barn here. Oh, okay. Boots are here. Oh, it stinks here. Oh. What are they doing? We bite. Oh my god. Oh, wait, there's someone there, I think. There's some. None in there. What does that mean, we bite? Oh.
You can go inside, I think.
We do? We can? Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Oh yeah, we can, guys. We're gonna do a closer look. Oh, there's a lot of planes coming here. There might be a big airport here. But let's not talk about that. Let's talk about these animals. Oh no.
Look.
Okay, that stinks. What is here?
Shh.
Oh, guys, what are they doing? They're sticking their heads out. What are they doing? What are you doing, guys? Oh, I never seen a goat in any zoo. Hey, how are you doing, bro? Oh, they got big ones. Hello.
And then she'll be gone for like a couple months.
So,
so total.
where did the Oh, cows are here. Cows. Oh, there's so much food there. Oh, I don't want you to see that. Oh, that's huge. That's a huge dump. Oh, ponies. Oh my God. How you doing, guys? How you doing? I want to see one look at me. That one looks beautiful. It's like got a mohawk, a never-ending mohawk. It just got hair all over the place. Why they stay here? Why they just stay? Oh, sorry. That is so cool. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's cows.
What she's doing?
I have no idea. I think she's trying to break out.
She's
She's trying
scratching.
to break out.
No, she's scratching herself.
Oh, there's a big dump there. Oh, wait. Donkeys?
That's you.
Stop talking about that. Okay, just stop. Don't listen to her. Oh my God. They are just staying like that. What? Oh no! Oh, he's gonna attack me. They look mad. Oh, they do attack. Every day. Hey, donkey, you look smaller than I thought. In India, they were like, I think in India, they're a lot bigger than you guys. Oh, what is this? Oh, I thought it has horns. It's my goodness. Are these llamas?
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like llamas. Oh, look at that dump. Look at that dump right there. Look at that dump. No, go down. No, go down to look at that dump. Look at that dump there. Oh, they have been pooping a lot. Oh, we can get a closer look to the pony. It's back. Pony's back. Not so nice. Not so. Oh, sheep. Sheep. Sheeps are here. Hey, sheeps are here. Hey guys, what are you doing? How are you doing? Oh, a lot of them are sleeping. Oh. Are they dead or they're just sleeping?
They're sleeping.
Yeah, it looks like they're sleeping. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, that pony's huge. I wish I could ride on them. Okay. They always stay frozen. Okay, where are we going? I think we gotta go here. It looks like okay. We gotta go here. I don't know. Let's see.
Coyotes.
Oh, no. Oh. That is crazy. That's crazy. Whoa. There's even a squirrel, I see. Guys, this is a San Frank. There. Oh, what is that there? What are these? I can't even see their faces. They're like deer looking. Are they deer? I have no idea. Oh, I see one's face. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh, 360. Oh. Hey, we might get cramps. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, he sees you. Why am I walking backwards? Guys, look at that. Oh my God. That is cool. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Okay, I think, guys, look at this. I think, look at here. It's maybe there's here or something. Well, maybe it's in this cage, but it doesn't look like. I mean, there's balls. Maybe they play with it. I have no idea. There's a turkey watcher.
Did you see it?
There's a huge turkey watcher. Oh, there's one right there. How do they not attack their friend? Hi. They look so cute. I never been to a dog this close. Let me get closer. How you doing? How you doing? How are you doing? I think they're trying to defend themselves when they're doing that. Why are they shaking? Okay. I think he's scared. Spot the owl. Oh, there the owl is. I think that's a... No, that's a hawk.
What's that? Let's see.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Guys, look at the dead white mice. Yeah, I know. Oh, there's another out there. Guys, there's a lot of... There's 2 owls. I saw a hawk here, guys. I saw a hawk. Hey, bird. Hey, guys. You staring on us? You flexing on us? I mean, that's what they're here to do, I think. I don't know. What's this? I'm scared. I found chickens. Here. Oh, look at that. I think that's a hen. Oh. How are you doing? How are you doing? Okay. Are you gonna defend yourself and attack us? Oh no, it looks like... Stop beaking. Stop doing that, cause they can beak on your... Oh no. Oh, there's another beautiful looking one right here. Oh, look at this guy. That looks pretty cool. Right there. Oh, he's out. Oh, that me. Look at these. They're aggressive looking. Hey, buddy. No wonder my dad told me they're dangerous. Hey. I don't think we can talk to him.
She's sleeping.
You want to look at the bunnies one more time?
This is so loud.
Come here.
No, look at the loud guys on the Oh, there's more chickens in here. Let's see what they do.
He's scratching.
He is. Oh, look at that baby one. There's so many cute little ones. There's a huge one right here. Papa, I see a baby chicken too.
Why is he going like this? Rabbit. Wait, why are you trying to say rabbit?
This looks so Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to support me. Bye.